Hey my gorgeous friends, welcome back to another nail art video. Today's nail art design is really easy one and I'm going to use the drag needle method to create this design. I really love how simple and easy this is to make, and you only need a scotch tape to create this design. So let's quickly get started with the tutorial. But before that, please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also click on that bell icon so you never miss out on new easy DIY nail art ideas twice every week. Let's quickly get started with the tutorial now. The first step always is to apply a good quality base coat to protect your nails. Then cut these small pieces of a scotch tape and apply them in this manner on all your nails. Doing this will protect the triangular part of the cuticle area from the nail polish that we are going to apply in the next step. Then, pink being my favorite of all colors, I'm going to be using different shades of pink nail polish to create this drag marble design. You can always choose various shades of whichever color is your favorite. Use a small nail art brush and create a thick line alongside the edge of the scotch tape using the darker shade of the pink polish, like so. Repeat the same step with a lighter shade of pink polish using the previous V as your guide. Then I am going to use this white nail polish to transition into even lighter shade. For the drag needle technique to work at its best, you need to work a bit quicker than usual so that you can start your dragging process while your nail polish is still wet. Now I am going to repeat the same pattern of dark pink, then light pink and white to fill the remaining space of my nail. So as soon as you have completed filling up all the space of your nail, grab the same nail polish brush and start dragging it from the edge of the scotch tape going towards the edge of the nail. Make sure to leave a little bit of gap between each of these lines. The next step is to start the dragging process in the opposite direction. So this time we will start off from the edge of the nail going inwards towards the scotch tape. See how simple it is? The only important thing that you need to remember for this design to work out is to be a little bit quicker so that you can do your dragging thing while your nail polishes are still wet. It's a beautiful design that just looks like a tie and dye pattern and can be created in all different colors of your choice. There's something about the drag needle technique that makes it so much fun. I have lots of other videos in which I use the same technique to create different types of designs. I'll leave the link of those in the description box if you wish to check out later, or maybe I'll link the playlist right above so you can watch it later. So now let me quickly finish this design on all my remaining nails. The final step is, as always, to clean the edges by dipping your nail art brush in nail polish remover and then applying a good quality top coat to make sure your manicure lasts for a longer period of time and it looks shinier. Super fun and easy nail art design is ready. What do you think of this nail art design? I'd love to hear from you. So make sure to leave a comment down below. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel before leaving and share this video with your friends who love doing nail art on their own and are looking for some easy nail art designs to try on. I love you so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!